Next algorithm is the Rabin-Karp algorithm. Again, this algorithm is basically used to search the pattern from the string. This algorithm is developed by Richard Karp and Michael Rabin. But here in this, the main concept they are used to search the pattern from the text is by using the hashing concept. So here hashing is used to search the pattern from the text. And one more thing, it uses a rolling hash. So rolling hash is basically used when the pattern it is not being found from the text. So rolling hash is nothing but I can say just only the shifting to the next letter. So let's see one simple example for the Rabin-Karp. So here I am having the text with A, B. The size of the text is 6 and I have defined the variable n. Next I want to search the pattern, that is B from the text, and the pattern size is 3 and the variable I have defined is m. Now here if I want to search previously how basically the searching it's happened, we are going to check one letter from the text. If the match found, we are going to shift to the next, again we are going to match it, again we shift to the right, again we are going to match, and when the match found we say that pattern it is been there in the text. But here we are going to calculate the value of the pattern. So for that I have assigned the values to the text. So here if I use the ASCII code to the text, so the ASCII code for A is 97, then B 98, so definitely up till to the Z, and when I calculate the value, it might be possible that it gets a huge number. So here I have the user defined values. You can use the ASCII code, no doubt, but the final value it might be big. So that's why I have used the user defined value. So I have assigned the value A to 1, B to 2, up till J I have assigned the value 10. So here I have just taken a 10 letters, I have considered the 10 letters. So now first we are going to calculate the value for the pattern. So for A1, again for A1 and B2, so I have just add and the value I gain is 4. So you can multiply, no doubt, depending upon the user side whether you want to multiply or add. So I have just add and I get the value 4. 4 is nothing but it's a hash code. And how basically we get the hash code? By using the hashing to the pattern. So the procedure to get this hash function is hash of p. So we get the value 4. Next what we will do, we will assign a value 1 to A, next one, and we are going to add it. Okay. And here the value for the first 3A is 3. Okay. Now we are going to check whether 3 it will matches it with the 4. So definitely the match it is not been found. So we are going to roll it nothing but we are going to skip this A, and now we are going to consider this 3A, next 3 letters. Why? Because the pattern is 3, so we are considering 3. If the pattern size is 4, we are considering the 4 letters from the text. So the next value for this A is again it's a 3 only. So 3 it will matches it with 4. So match it is not been found. Again it will going to roll to the next. So we are considering next 3A. So again the value same, it is 3. It will matches it with the 4. Now the match it is not been found. Next we are considering the last 3. So here if we assign the value 1 plus 1 plus 2, the value is 4. So 4 it will matches it with the hash code, match it is been found, and the moment when the match it is been found with the hash code, now we are going to check the values. So here A it is been matched with A, Next it will going to shift A to A, B to B, so match it is been found. So here the procedure of Rabin-Karp is being defined with the help of hash code. Next, consider one more example, having the text as well as the pattern. The pattern size is 3. Now the value which we have assigned to the letter is from 1 to 10. Why? Because I have considered just only A to J letters only. If you go through this example, if I put the value of D4 to 1, the value of hash code is 7. Next, same if I consider the value for these letters from the text, the value is 7. 7, 7, it will matches. Now the hash value, it is been matched. Now I am going to compare each and every letters.